This is not just a cigarette. This is 7,000 chemicals entering your body in under 10 seconds. The moment you lift a cigarette to your lips, your body prepares for damage, not relief. That first inhale feels calm, but it's actually your brain being hijacked. The smoke doesn't stop in your mouth. It travels deep, carrying toxins straight into your organs. Inside your lungs, smoke replaces oxygen, breath by breath. Healthy lungs are pink and alive. Smokers' lungs turn dark, heavy, and weak. Tar coats the tiny air sacs meant to keep you alive, slowly suffocating them. Toxins enter your bloodstream, pushing oxygen out of the way. Your heart is forced to beat faster, harder, for less life. Nicotine reaches your brain in seconds, releasing false pleasure. Deep inside your cells, cigarette smoke breaks your DNA. When cells can't repair themselves, cancer begins. And the damage doesn't stop with you. Secondhand smoke harms everyone nearby. Smoking doesn't just age your lungs, it ages your entire body. Every cigarette ends the same way. Burned out, wasted, destructive. But the moment you quit, your body starts fighting back. You don't need another cigarette. You need another chance.